Hi, welcome. This is Artillery X2, and we're doing the 3D printed nodes for the hybrid electric car. So let me just take this into the light and show you what we've got. Come back. Alright, so there's two parts to this. One is when the pipes are 13mm, those are going to be bamboo and they're going to sit on the inside here. Yes, that's broken off, sorry, which is why it's being reprinted. Not this mess at all. Surprisingly, okay, so this type of mess is not a problem. That's a problem, that's a problem, that's a problem, because I can't get that off. So this one was printed this way, without any layer structure and with only a 2-second layer time. So as it was going wobble, wobble, wobble like this and things, but also it just wasn't strong enough, so I've redone it with support structure. And then there's a second type. Where are we? This one, right? So you've got two types. You've got one which is for the 30mm pipes, and you've got the other one for the 21.5 outer diameter flow class, which we'll just grab and real simple there. All right, so that's how the pipes all fit together. I'm numbering them, so don't forget them. This one is bonnet 2. That's a 2. Now, I'm redoing this one. I'm redoing this one because of the support infrastructure was an X priority, not a Z priority, which meant that it's actually touching on here and it's actually bonded to the thing, and I can't get it off. And likewise, this one here in the XY direction was simply too close, so it's being redone. But the thing is that the accuracy on these, the tidiness on these is not important. Because they're going to be completely covered in resin and the Kevlar or Hessian cloth. So you're not going to see these, and they're not structural. So as long as they don't, as long as they're not totally awful. Like sort of this distance here being wrong, or that distance there being wrong, etc., etc. It really doesn't matter. So as a result, what I'm doing is I'm using a 0.8mm nozzle. Yeah, that's not so helpful, is it? Oh yeah, it's all right. I'm using a 0.8mm nozzle in here. With a 0.6mm layer height, at 100mm a second print speed, with a 50mm a second outer shell. I'm on to the fifth of these objects now, these node objects. So there's quite a lot of experimentation going on. The support structure is only 0.25mm, and for the next one I might even reduce it to 0.2. It was previously at 0.4, and that's probably why I couldn't actually remove it. Increase the distance in the XY away from the thing, away from the object as well. Yeah, there's quite a lot here, but I've got 135 of these nodes to print, so some experimentation getting it right is in order. But yeah, so that's you can see how it's going to sort of coming together with the bamboo with the surround in it, and with the PVC pipes and inset into the pipe rather than surrounding the pipe. And that should give enough I think. And then I'm going to be using Loctite Extreme glue to glue all the PVC pipes to the nodes and the bamboo poles to the nodes, and we're good to go. Right, thank you very much.